They say they're focused on strengthening the economy. But CBC News has obtained an internal memo prepared for the Finance Minister that says, well, Canada has enjoyed record economic growth. The party's over. Karina Roman has the details.
The October memo to the Finance Minister warns that last year's pace of economic growth, averaging almost 4%, is not sustainable, that it's likely to drop to and stay at 1.7% for the foreseeable future. The effect of that? Well, incomes won't rise as fast, and that means tax revenues will diminish. That will have an effect on new government spending. It also means less wiggle room for government deficits. This memo is clearly an attempt at preparing for the new reality. According to the briefing note, one way to offset a slowing economy would be to get more women into the workforce. Well, Finance Minister Bill Morneau says that Budget 2018 will have programs to encourage that.
For me, I'm facing right now some decisions around our budget. We're going to be thinking about how we can make sure that women are successful in Canada. So there'll be an important gender lens in what we're trying to achieve.
The internal memo also points to an aging workforce as a major factor in a slowing economy. One way to combat that would be to raise the retirement age. But this government already lowered that age back to 65 after the previous Conservative government had raised it to 67. And the Liberals show no political appetite to reverse that move. Another possibility would be to increase immigration of skilled workers by about 15,000 a year. But economists say even if the government were to do all these things, it would only lift economic growth marginally. Meanwhile, rising interest rates also dampen economic growth, and most economists are predicting a rate hike from the Bank of Canada next week. Karina Roman, CBC News, Ottawa.